हलचल टीवी न्यूज। हेलो, मैं सीमा रावत। वेलकम इन बॉलीवुड हलचल। फिल्म बॉलीवुड डायरीज का ट्रेलर लॉन्च किया गया, जहां पर नजर आए फिल्म के डायरेक्टर और स्टार कास्ट भी, जिन्होंने बात की फिल्म के बारे में।
I think I request you to please. We have to check.
Please be seated.
फिल्म बॉलीवुड डायरीज का प्रीमियर रखा गया। बॉलीवुड डायरीज एक इंडियन ड्रामा फिल्म है। फिल्म को डायरेक्ट किया है केडी सत्यम ने और फिल्म की स्टार कास्ट है राइमा सेन, आशीष विद्यार्थी एंड सलीम दीवान, जो फिल्म में मुख्य भूमिका में आएंगे नजर।
And now that we have the entire cast of Bollywood Diaries, for questions, if you have any questions, I'm sure they're more than happy to. Any?
Well, this is a movie which, when I saw, I was a little skeptical as to what is this Bollywood Diaries all about, and I realized that it's a story of all our aspirations, all our dreams. And what is most fascinating about this film is that it takes it beyond. I don't want to give away the story, but goes to another life. So the kind of the way the bar has been pushed, the way the envelope has been pushed, it's a fantastic journey that all of us have either gone through mentally or physically and come here now and taken our positions in the industry, and there are many of us who will soon do so. So this is a film about that struggle, that journey, and a certain amount of aspirational things that one hears about but doesn't think that it can go to such levels. It's a great journey, and I'm happy to be associated with this film. At Zee Studios, we are in Hindi movies, Marathi movies, also Bengali films. Raimaji, we made a film called Force, and very soon we will be making other movies in Bengali as well. We're making a Telugu film as well. We want to spread our wings, and we welcome every great talent that is available in this country for every language, and we will support all of you. In Marathi, of course, you know that we just released a film called Natasamrat to fantastic response. And I promise you that if you have talent, then you may not have to go through this struggle.
मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि एक अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट की तलाश में मैं था, और केडी सत्यम ने जब ये स्क्रिप्ट मुझे सुनाई तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे ये फिल्म बनानी चाहिए, और बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनी जैसा हमने सोचा था कि ऐसी एक फिल्म बनाएंगे, और वैसी बनी है। तो थैंक यू सो मच केडी सत्यम, राइमा जी, करुणा जी, सलीम, विनीत, आशीष जी, थैंक यू सो मच।
Good afternoon, everyone. Prakash Nathan from Eagle Eye Entertainment. I welcome you all here in the first place. The moment we heard the script from Satyam, we were kind of very, very sure that we are going to get associated with this film in some manner. And as time passed by, we saw that growing. And we are really proud the way it shaped up. Wonderful performances. We can't say more, anything. I mean, the movie will talk for itself. I'm very, very sure about that. And I think it's been a fabulous journey so far, and I'm sure that we're going to set the box office ringing. Thank you very much.
The starting point would be the core point. Actually, as we all are here to somehow achieve our dream, right? It's a dream city. So some they give up, some they achieve, and some are in that space who are still struggling. Still, it's there. The hope is alive, and they want to achieve it. The journey is on. So this film, the characters here in this film, the journey is on. And I think they should see the theatrical first, then we can take it forward. So would be...
Could we have the trailer, please?
Yeah. Let's see the theatrical, Hana?
Fell in love with Imli. I know that's a very cliche answer, but I don't really do that many films, and I think I just had to do Imli. I mean, I just fell in love with her, and I hope I did her as he wanted.
इसके लिए आप फिल्म देखिए कि how far I can go to get this, get to achieve this dream. Actually, सत्यम सर ने सबसे पहले मुझे ये रोहित के बारे में बताया, तो मैं समझ नहीं पाया क्या करेगा, क्या कर रहा है लड़का। लाइक एज यू सीन के लाइक थोड़ी सी आपने झलक देखी है, पूरा देखा नहीं है रोहित को आपने। 26 फेब को देखना रोहित। सो मैं समझ नहीं पाया कि मैं कन्विंस नहीं था इस कैरेक्टर से। फिर उन्होंने मुझे 2-3 ऐसे रियल कैरेक्टर से मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया कि दीज आर द रोहित, और मुझे लगा कि कहीं ना कहीं हम सब में एक रोहित है और मैं उससे रिलेट करने लगा। एंड देन आई रियली लव दिस कैरेक्टर एंड आई होप कि मैंने सत्यम सर ने ओके किया टैग को तो अच्छा ही होगा, एज ही इज़ नॉमिनेटेड फॉर ऑस्कर फ्रॉम इंडिया। 3 or 4 टैग्स ओनली, यू कैन आस्क हिम।
आप देख रहे हैं हलचल टीवी न्यूज़।